Hi, welcome to this video about the Dimplex Quantum RF series. This heater has auto boost turned off, which is a good idea because auto boost uses your expensive daytime electricity. So to make sure your boost is turned off, you need to press the menu button, select boost, and it says the boost temperature maximum of 21 for a time of 30 minutes. So we go back, and it doesn't say boost here, so that means boost is not turned on. So if you go to the menu button and go down to settings, you will see a boost here. Here you can set your default boost temperature as 21 degrees. So when it's depleted its stored heat, it can then use the boost to increase the temperature to 21 degrees. It's working extra hard and it's costing extra money using the boost setting. If we go back, maximum boost duration is set to 4 hours as a default. You can reduce that down to 30 minutes. So the least time is 30 minutes. There we go. And back. Okay, try to avoid using the boost at all costs because that will be costly. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos in the playlist and subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.